Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you an efficient way to drop cell in Excel. It is pretty simple, straightforward, but it will make your life so much easier. So as you can see, I have a list of full names and I have a list of roles. But when you see in the roles, I have only management and there are a bunch of empty cells, and then supervisor, a bunch of empty cells, then admin, bunch of empty cells. So there are a couple of ways to do this. So the first one would be to drag this down like this, and then do it for the supervisor, and then do it for the admin. Yes, that is one way to do it. But if you have a lot of people and you have a very long list, this is not an efficient way to do it. So the efficient way here to do it would be you will just select that column, go here into find and select, click on that little arrow down, then go to, and then special, and then you'll click on blanks. So what this would do is this will select all the blank cells in this column. Just click OK. Now we would do is equal to, then we'll do arrow up, and then control and enter. Here we go. So what we did, so you can see that this kind of auto populated everything that was below that. So what we actually did when we put equal to and then arrow up, so the arrow up kind of selected the cell above, and then we entered shift, and well, then we did control and enter, so it kind of selected that above column or the above cell uh, that was above the blank, selected it, and then kind of replace all the empty cells in that section of the blank cells and replace it with management. So this is it. This is a very easy way to sell down for if you have a very long set of data. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, please subscribe. This will help me grow this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.